Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. I'm coming by with a little bit of a different kind of video today. Well, same kind of video, just different. Just different. I don't have my camera on its regular stand, and I'm filming by hand. So, first of all, I want to thank LifeBasis for sending me this digital ultrasonic cleaner, this CDS-100, and I'm going to be giving it a try. Okay, here is the instructions, the user manual, and here is the unit itself. Alright, it's very nice, compact. It's got this is a stand that you can put a watch on, something that you don't want to necessarily lay in the water. Cleaning solution. This is just the basket, and this is the stainless steel unit itself. Alright, now when you plug it in, it comes on. So to reset it, you need to unplug it and plug it back in. Okay. This particular cleaning session is just going to be water with just a touch of dish soap in it, and I've got a pile of stainless steel jewelry that I've already detarnished, and I'm going to run it through the cleaner. So I'll be back. Okay, hopefully you can see my my sterling silver jewelry in there. That's a little better. Alright, I'm going to add the water to the fill line. I'll show you that fill line. Okay. Okay, when the timer goes off, unplug the unit, take out the jewelry basket, and drain the water. Okay? Ew, this is pretty dirty. Alright, so I'm going to take the basket out, drain the water off of the basket before I carry it back to my desk, and then I'll show you the results. Okay, here we go. Okay, sorry about that. I wiped my nose again. Alright. Now, some of these are literally my high school jewelry. So, you'll have to forgive me if some of it's a little childish. I think this one I actually bought when we were on vacation. Sorry, the point of the video is not to show you my jewelry, but just to show you how clean it came out. Okay, like I said, this one is from my school, so it's pretty, bent up. Wow. Really nice. Oh, and I was actually worried about this one. This one is a little charm bracelet that I actually took some of the cowboy hats off. And I put it on this one. So yeah, it's still a little wet. Wow. Man, it's so much cleaner. Alright, this one is marked 92.5, but boy, it really doesn't feel like silver. It may just be silver on the surface. Don't worry, I will dry all this before I put it away. And it was brown. It was so tarnished. You could not even begin to imagine it was silver. So when I used the Fitz powder. Flitz. And it's not powder, it's paste. Anyway, works wonders. This one is actually an emerald. This is why I bought it. Again, really pretty. I'll show you that one last. This is a toe ring, again, that was, it was unrecognizable that it was even silver. Oh, man, it's pretty. And this one, so sweet. I actually think my husband bought me this one, but before we were married. This one has a little piece of carnelian in it. I bought this when we were on vacation. I was shopping with Dad. I don't remember why, but anyway, it's broken right here, so I'll need to take it to a repair shop. Along with my engagement ring that has actually been dinged up for years, but so I haven't been able to wear it in years. I love this one. This is a piece of lapis lazuli. There's this one. This is how old this is. It is so out of style. It would make a great man's necklace, except for it's way too long. And then there's this one. This one is super delicate. Let me get some of the water off. Little pearls with little, I don't know what you call them, but really pretty. Okay, and then this one. It's got a trio of diamonds. They're so tiny you can't even see them. But this one I can actually still wear. Probably can this one too, but it's a little bent. I love this marcasite. Oh, I cannot tell you how in love with it I am. I know to a lot of people it just looks old-fashioned or whatever, but when I was a little girl, my grandmother had a jewelry box that was heaping full of brooches, pins, all costume jewelry, I'm sure, except for the ones that were like marcasite and stuff. Because most marcasite is in sterling silver, sorry. Hundreds of these brooches. So I actually have a little bitty box that's also full of brooches in honor of my grandmother, because I would have given anything to have that box of brooches that she sold at a garage sale. Much to my shame, because I didn't even get to find out about it till after it was over. Alright, so, sorry about the rambling on. Alright. Still really wet, but really nice. And I'm telling y'all, I'm probably going to wear that ear cuff. I haven't worn it. We won't even talk about how long. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll leave the links to everything below. Thank y'all. Thank you so much to LifeBasis for contacting me and sending me this CDS-100 digital ultrasonic cleaner. I am super impressed. These have not looked this good in years. So, thank you so much to LifeBasis once again. I'll leave the links to everything below like I said. Bye for now.